Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to open a bank account.
Certainly. Do you have your ID and proof of address?
Yes, here they are.
What kind of account would you like to open?
A savings account, please.
Are there any monthly fees for this account?
No, there are no monthly fees.
Can I deposit money today?
Yes, you can deposit cash or a check.
I'd like to deposit $500 in cash.
Sure, please fill out this deposit slip.
How long does it take for the money to show in my account?
Cash is available immediately.
Can I get an ATM card?
Yes, we will send you a card in 5 working days.
How do I set my PIN code?
You'll receive instructions with your card.
Can I use online banking?
Absolutely, I can help you register now.
Are there limits on withdrawals?
There's a $1,000 daily limit for ATM withdrawals.
What should I do if I lose my card?
Call our hotline immediately to block the card.
Do you offer mobile banking?
Yes, you can download our app and log in.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Your account is ready.
Can I get a statement for my account?
Yes, I can print it for you.
Thanks. I'll wait for my ATM card.
No problem. Have a great day.